In this video, I want to talk about image rotation and cropping. So I have an image here that's in quite a pickle. Needs to be rotated, and it also needs to have the white cropped off of it. So first step, to rotate it, I'm going to go up to Image from the main menu and choose Image Rotation. Here I have some default degrees, 180, 90 clockwise, 90 counterclockwise, arbitrary. If I know the degree and I want to put it in myself, like 7 degrees, 44. I could also just choose to flip it all horizontally or vertically. This image needs to be rotated 90 degrees counterclockwise. So I choose that option, and now it is in the correct direction. The next step is to rotate it. So over here in my tools, I'm going to take the crop tool, click on that, and what it does is it creates this default bounding box. And if you click on the corners, you can click and drag around. And what I want to do is select inside, keep a selection inside of what I want to keep. So I am eliminating the white and a little bit of the edges. You see how that's on the outside. And this is just a preliminary crop. I haven't actually made this yet. I could double click inside my image here, or I could go up to the options bar and click on the check mark, which means I've committed to this crop. Before I do that, I just want to point out up here in the options bar, I have this option which I have selected, and that says delete cropped pixels. So that means when I do commit to this crop, remember right now it's preliminary, I can still move it around, I haven't actually done it yet. When I do commit to it, those pixels outside are really going to be gone. It's like scissors cutting them off. So I'm going to commit to that. And you can see that everything's cut off. And if I try to move this, there's nothing here to move. It's completely cut off. And now I'll open my history panel and redo that. So I'm just going to step back a step to rotate canvas. So I'm just on that stage, and I got rid of the stage where I cropped. And I'm going to do it again, but this time unselect delete cropped pixels. And I'll bring in my bounding box to make my crop. And I'm going to bring it in quite a bit actually. And hit the check mark to commit to this. And now I'll take my move tool and I can move it around. So you can see those pixels outside my crop marks are not actually deleted. They're still there. They're just being hidden. So this is sometimes good if you want the flexibility, if you're not completely sure, like, do I really want to crop it off there, or do I want to see what it looks like here? But it can be a problem if you now wanted to copy this and paste it into another document, because it is going to copy those pixels that are actually hidden. So if you are cropping down your image and you then want to copy it and paste it in another image, I would suggest using the option to delete the crop pixels. All right, so that's all I wanted to talk about in this video. Then we're going to talk about some other features of the crop tool and other ways that you can rotate in other videos.